Fazbear Entertainment is offering a new on-the-job training position for a future pizza professional. We would love to give you more details, but for legal reasons are unable to without a signed non-disclosure agreement. Fazbear Entertainment acknowledges that past work conditions have not been ideal. However, we can provide you with a 100% safety intention guarantee. To accept this position, press or say 1. We didn't quite get that, but we know what you intended. Welcome to the team. Your first day starts now.
Something has changed. The forgotten button has materialized here, in my mystical booth. It awaits you in the distant past.
Welcome to the Superstar Daycare! You're just in time for arts and crafts! Ah, don't eat the crafts! Now you just sit right there and don't move! I'll go fetch whatever materials you need, okay? Use that rubber dart gun to tell me what art supplies you need from the Fun Craft Shelves! Just point and pick! It'll be so much fun! Oh, good job, good job. Now that you have a flash, guess what time it is? It's time to paint by numbers! Just follow the happy little numbers. They make all the hard color choices for you. When you are done, hit the button and I can evaluate your work. What are you waiting for? Well, let's see some hustle and bustle. If you don't see the item you're looking for, pull that fancy-looking cord. Artistic works completed within the pizza sector property of Fazbear Entertainment. Check out! Whatever you do, keep the lights on.
Is someone there? My ocular fluids have crystallized. I am unable to process your appearance. Although we have just met, I know I am in good hands. After all, you are a Fazbear technician, are you not? Please retrieve little Jimmy's birthday cake and place it on the birthday card. However, I must warn you, due to extreme temperature fluctuations, I am not quite myself at the moment. Do be careful. Is it just me, or is the room getting hotter? It happened again. Is it just me, or is the room getting hotter? It is a delicious ice cream cake. Or so I've been told. I cannot taste it. Oh no! I'm receiving... Good job! You are my superstar.
Welcome to your new career in food service. It is a task so simple a human can do it. Pay attention. I am only going to say this once. Step 1. You will receive an order which tells you what food to prepare. Step 2. Make that food. Step 3. Place the food on the serving tray. Do not forget the sides and drinks. Step 4. Ring the bell when the food is ready to be delivered to a hungry guest. Receive a new order and the cycle repeats for the rest of your life. or until you get old and are replaced by someone younger. Get the orders right or you will be severely reprimanded. You have been adequately trained. Now prepare for the dinner rush. I am waiting.
When it comes to keeping the kids happy, pretend to agree with them. That is what the cleaning staff is for. When it comes to keeping the kids happy, pretend to agree with them. Do not waste food. That is legally illegal. When it comes to keeping the kids happy, pretend to agree with them.
Takes forever. Why don't you?
Do not waste food. That is legally
Where's food?
Vending opportunities must be available within 20 to 30 feet of every guest at all times. We can still serve that. That is what the cleaning staff is for.
You must be the new wardrobe assistant. Help these staff prepare for showtime. They will need hats, glasses, and makeup. Your task is simple. Match the headshot. Confirm readiness and your next subject enters. Attention to detail is key. Be quick about it. Do not make them miss their cues. Supernumerary talent can hold a grudge. It is best practice to stay on their good side. Places, please. Places, please. Places, please. Places, please. Congratulations, your skills are suitable. Report to the Gamrocks alarm for your next shift.
Welcome to my world-famous glam rock beauty salon. Here we make children beautiful, presentable, and socially acceptable. Right now, we have more important things to deal with. You need to get me ready for my next performance. I changed my mind. I want something different. Still not feeling it. ready for showtime.
Think. Energy. Always smile. The lips, the teeth, the tip of the tongue.
In the ancient past, calling out from beyond time and space, Fazforce Freddy summons his intergalactic bandmates, the champions of Fazbear.
Fazforce, convene.
Mecha Pirate Foxy, ready to rock. Chipset Chica,
Ready to rock!
Bionic Bonnie,
I would never let you down.
and their mysterious friends.
Fazforce, engage.
Combine them all to form,
Fazbotron.
you won't live a happy or successful life without them all. Fazforce figures each sold separately, batteries not included.
Fazforce.